guys, what's up? It's me, back at it again. And today I have a very exciting video. As you can tell from the title, I'm doing a Morphe haul. I mean, I didn't get a lot of things, but I got big things. And to me, like a haul slash tutorial slash what I would do like regular day, like eye look, because I usually just wear foundation, eyebrows, concealer, the basics to school. So yeah, let's get into it. So I pulled my hair back, and this video is not me trying to be a beauty guru, because I know I'm not the best. I'm okay, I'm not the best, but let me just show you what I got. First off, I got Babe in Paradise. Oh my god, I've been wanting this and I got it. I had to go because they just opened a store, a Morphe store in Fresno, so I was like, I need to go now and get this. It's honestly so beautiful. And the second thing I got was the 25B, and yeah, I wasn't originally gonna get this one, but these have like more shades that I don't have, so she was cute or whatever. And I also got a highlighting brush, but the Babe in Paradise comes with one. I didn't know that, but I'm gonna still use both. It's fine. And then I also got, what else did I got this brow pencil in almond, super cute. And then I got one of these, it's like a brow, to filling your brows and then to spoolie them out after. I already have one, but I needed a new one, so I got one. And yeah, and I didn't get too much. I just got, you know, what I went for. But yeah, so now let's really get into the I was originally gonna do. Okay, so here's the palette. It's the 25B. Super cute. Like, I don't really have any like dark purples. Like, I have a 35O and I have another one, I forget the name, I think it's like 35R, I don't remember. But yeah, like these are just my fave colors, like neutrals and stuff and darks. And here is the Bretman X Morphe. Oh, that's so beautiful. Like, oh, it's amazing. Okay, so now for the look. Okay, so now for our tutorial. I think first off, what I've seen many beauty gurus do is that they start with a transition shade. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab Truth as my like transition shade, you can say, and I'm gonna like place it on the top or like above the crease, is what I've heard them say. Just use that as our first color. And they're so, they're so cute. Yeah, just going to blend. That's what I've heard them say. Like, or watch is like James Charles, Bretman Rock, Manny, Laura, Patrick, my number one. I love Patrick. He's amazing. I love him. Okay, so for the next shade, I think I'm going to use a little bit like of a darker brown, and the shade I'm going with is Center. Dip into Center, and I think I'm gonna add that to my crease as my second color. I really honestly truly don't know what I'm doing right now, but I'm just gonna go with it. Just gonna blend her in and see where this goes, because yeah, it's just gonna add that in there a bit more. Just I think I'm gonna do a cut crease look, or maybe half a cut crease, I don't know yet. But yeah, I'm just gonna bring her out a little. I don't know if you can tell on camera, like my lids are like dark because like my family, we have dark eyelids and like dark under eyelids, like super dark. Like that's why I always wear concealer, because if not, it looks like I had no type of sleep. But in reality, I actually had sleep, but I don't know, it's my dad's genes, but what are you gonna do? So yeah, I'm just gonna add that in the crease. Just blend her out as I go. Okay, so now I think we're gonna grab the color Quake, and I'm gonna put it right here, whatever this part of the eyeball is called. And I am for sure now going to do a cut crease. So I'm just gonna place that color right here, just on the, I think it's like the outer corner of your eye that they call it. And put it there. Then I'm gonna grab a blending brush and I'm gonna blend her in just a tiny bit. Just blend. When in doubt, blend out. And I think honestly, that's what's gonna save this look, because I don't know. Oh. Blend. Okay, I mean, maybe I'll add a tiny bit more, like a tiny little baby bit. No, I'm gonna grab the color Thief and I'm gonna put it lower, like on the lash line, instead of all over the outer lid. I'm gonna put it on the lash line. I think I'm gonna blend it up. Yeah. Okay, as soon as I got it on the lash line, I'm gonna use this one. This one doesn't have any color on it. So this is just gonna blend everything together, hopefully. Just gonna blend her out. Sorry for the weird faces I make, but honestly, who doesn't make a weird face when they do their makeup? It's just, I feel like if you don't do a weird face, then you're not doing your makeup right. Got her all blended. Hopefully that'll do. And now I'm gonna grab some concealer, my LA Girl concealer, because honestly, she's not a name brand, but she's good. Like, I trust her. I trust her with concealing my life. With the bags I have, I trust her with my life. She does pretty good. Oh. And I'm just gonna like put it to the crease. Like that. Just gonna carefully make my half cut crease thing. I don't know if I do this half cut crease thing right, but my friend says they look cute, so that's all I'm saying. And I think it looks pretty good, so. Okay, so now I'm gonna put her down. And I'm going to blend out the, well, not blend out, but like smooth out the concealer if I can find my brush. Okay, I'll use this one. It's another little brush I got from Amazon. It's on the lashes. It's okay. We'll fix her later. And then I have my airspun powder. I'm gonna put a little bit of that on my lid. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab my airspun on this little brush, dust her off, and just set the concealer so she will not move. Cause we are trying here. I'm just gonna place some powder. Perfect. I know we got it on the lash, but it's okay. We will dust her off. I'm gonna grab this little tiny brush that's just hanging out there and take her off. Take the excess powder off, as they call it. And I'm going to grab, where's my brush? This dandy little bean here. Where is she at? I'm gonna grab her, and I am going to dip into the shade 1, 2, 3 Sparkle. Cute. Just gonna grab some of her and put it on the lid. Wait, no, I need a spray. Okay, so now I'm going to spray my brush. And I'm going to dip into the shade Sparkle. And I want to put that all over my lid. Because she's a half-cut crease or whatever. Super cute, super cute. Just a little bit more to moisten the brush. The girl just dipped into her airspun. It's okay. It's gonna put that on. Yes. So pigmented. So pigmented. Oh, she's beautiful. She's a queen. A true drag queen. Honestly, drag queens are fun. Just add a little bit more. Okay, so now we're just gonna clean up the eye a little bit, just to make it look sharp or whatever. So again, LA Girl concealer, and I'm just gonna start. What I usually do is like how I do my eyeliner, and I just start from the end of the eye, like whatever you would call that, and I just clean it up and I bring it up so it can be sharp. Like that, and then I grab this little brush. It's from Wet n Wild. Wet n Wild is honestly stepping up their game. Their brushes are inexpensive and they're good. And I grab this Wet n Wild brush and I just like blend it out so it doesn't look too light, because this is actually a color too light. And she just looks snatched. She looks sharp or whatever. Okay, so I think the other eye, I'm gonna try to do it off camera because it's gonna take a while. This one eye took too long, but yeah, but she looks cute. I don't think I'm gonna add eyeliner because I don't want to mess her up. She's okay, so yeah, I'll be back with the highlight. I'm so excited. I'm going to use Vacation. I think that's what it's called. Okay, Bretman, with your cute little names. Oh, oh, she's beautiful. Oh, okay, Bretman, I see you. Oh, wow. I'm actually in love. He did that like no one else but Bretman Rock. Oh yes, honey. Yes. Love. Oh my god, she's beautiful. Okay, I think I'll put some on the collarbones. This is not from my foundation. This is from the actual like pigment of the highlight, but she's beautiful. Oh my god, I got lipstick on me. Oopsies. But yes, Bretman. Oh my god, she's stunning. Like, okay, I don't know if you can see it on camera. Let me see. Let me get a little bit closer. This is the final look. I mean, she didn't come out too bad. Like, I'm not a beauty guru. Oh, my bad. Obviously, I can't take a selfie either. But, I mean, she's alright. I tried my best. I think that's... Oh, but look at that glow! Yes, Bretman did that. Okay, so I'm using a selfie stick, if you didn't notice, but yeah. This is the end of my video for now. Thank you for watching. Hope you come back next week to watch more videos. Hope you like this like look. I tried. I'm not a beauty guru, so like, yeah, but I don't know. I'm kind of feeling myself. I'm not going nowhere. I mean, I can go walk my dog like this. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!